Alright, so I'm going to do a little tutorial on the mole ratio worksheet. Okay, basically, let's read the definition. Okay, so the mole or molar ratio is a most simplified mathematical comparison of the number of moles of two chemicals in a balanced chemical reaction. So I want you to circle balanced chemical reaction because in order for you to create mole ratios, you're trying to compare two chemicals, but you first need to have a balanced chemical reaction first. Okay? Wow, that's not a very good box. Okay? So, for example, here is a balanced chemical reaction between methane, oxygen to create water and carbon dioxide, which is, I don't know if you remember this, is a combustion reaction. Okay? So, first of all, it says the molar ratio between water and oxygen is 1 to 1. So I find water and oxygen, it's clearly 2 to 2, but you need to simplify that to make it 1 to 1. Okay? So I'm going to show you the first question. All of the questions are pretty much the same. You should be done with this by the end of the class period. Okay? So in order for me to do this, I need to balance like I've always done, right? So here's N, here's H. So over here I have 2 nitrogens, right? And 2 hydrogens. I have over here 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygens. Clearly that's not balanced. So it's easiest to multiply 1 by another number, right? So I'll need to multiply 1 by 2. So 2, that becomes 2. 2 times 3 gives you 6. Okay. Over here, what times 2 gives me 6? That's 3. That's 6. Okay. So my coefficients are 1, 3, and 2. Okay. So for this one, N2 to H2, what's the mole ratio? I look over here, 1 to 3, so the ratio is 1 to 3. Okay? Oops, wrong place. Up here, 1 to 3. Okay? N2 to NH3, that's 1 to 2. Okay? So I look at the coefficients again. H2 to NH3 is 3 H2s to 2 NH3s. And then I'm done. I do the same thing with this one and the rest. So the whole thing is due by the end of this class period. You should be done pretty quickly.